welcome back to Open, everyone. So CakeBurgers is a shop offering cakes, burgers, and the nostalgia of the 1950s. Well, the shop recently opened in November, and we are so excited to have her back. Well, it has a lot of people offering, well, a nice, different time travel eating experience in East Harlem. And co-founder Evette Zayas is now here to tell us about the shop while we make some miniature cake burgers. Hey, welcome back.
Hey, how you doing?
Congratulations.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, honey. Well, we had you on
Thanks,
last year, and you didn't have your brick and mortar, but you have it now.
Oh, you
Oh my
said
God.
last year. You had to mention that, but that's okay.
No,
Come on.
well, it's all good.
What I say?
All right, so I guess you're putting me to work right away.
Yeah,
All right, so
yeah.
what are we making here? First of all, cake burger. I mean, you're making cake burgers, but it's actually cake shaped like a burger.
Yes.
But that's not all the store offers, right? I
No.
mean, the restaurant, I should say.
No. So basically, we have a shop that we serve gourmet burgers and we do cakes. All occasion cakes, cake sculptures, and little goodies and stuff like that. And this came about exactly 1 week ago. So it was like, this is gonna be our signature little dessert. When people come in, they say, cake burgers. And they're like, what's cake burgers? And we're like, we make cakes, we make burgers. Oh, and this is a cake burger. Just to, because it was all about explanation, but I'm excited.
I'm
Thank you.
excited for you.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
all right,
okay.
so we're going to make one.
Yes,
Oh
yes.
my
One
gosh.
for
this
you.
This is going to be like an
One
I
for
Love
me.
Lucy moment. I'm going to
There
do
you
my
go.
best.
Here you go.
So this is not my department.
Make believe this is an English muffin.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna saw it, we're gonna cut it in half, and we're
Right.
gonna go around in circles.
Oh,
Nice.
see, I already messed it
Ay,
up.
Dios
I already-
mío. Well, we got two more
All right,
here.
no, I'm going to do the other
Ay.
side. That's all right, I got it. All the way through?
Yeah, all the
All
way
right,
through.
I did it all the way through.
We want two pieces,
Uh-huh.
right? So now we're gonna take it, we're gonna put it down. We're gonna make a
Okay.
burger.
Okay, we're
We're
going to make a
We're gonna make
burger.
a burger, okay? Now we're gonna have
A
fun.
sweet
now we're
burger.
gonna flip it. We're gonna take a piece right
Okay.
here. That's the chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Oh, no, I'm so sorry. We gotta put the ketchup on first.
Okay, the ketchup.
Ketchup.
Which is what, actually?
Strawberry.
It's
Espérate, you taking it
look
like
at me.
you know.
I know, I'm like, I'm going to make a mess here is
No,
what
no,
I'm
no,
doing.
no,
All right,
no.
you can
You
do it.
hold it.
Yes.
Entonces you go and you squeeze it, some strawberries. Okay, so this is supposed to, depict ketchup.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's your turn.
And this is
Squeeze
like
it
strawberry
nice
jam?
Yes,
Yeah, nice and gently,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pa abajo, there you go. Wait, so fast. Okay, that's it. Now put it back over there.
All right, put it here.
Now we're gonna take the meat.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I don't make burgers.
Which isn't actually meat. What is it?
Oh, it's-
is it a brownie?
Yeah, it's a chocolate cake.
It's a chocolate
Next
cake.
time it'll be a brownie.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it on the bread. There, now you take yours.
Okay, I'm going to grab
Okay,
mine.
thank
And hope
God.
nothing falls.
No, thank
Okay,
God I'm
here we
not
go.
flipping brownies. Brownies, tú me oyes. So
I
now
got
we're
you.
gonna take some buttercream.
A buttercream.
Yeah, and you're gonna
Oh, I
hold
have
it
my own.
and you're gonna put it in your hand.
Okay.
Remember last year?
No.
Oh, no, yeah.
I'm sure I messed it up. This is not my department.
You're gonna put it in the palm of your hands and you're gonna squeeze it. Go ahead, ask me
Okay.
any question you want.
So
easy. Let me show you first and then you do.
Oh,
it,
okay, right.
So you're gonna take
that's
it,
probably.
and then you're gonna squeeze it, and then you're gonna zigzag it like that. You're gonna make it look like lettuce.
Okay.
We're making lettuce.
Oh, nice.
All right, let me see. Oh no.
Wait, let me try.
Don't quit your day job.
I'm not.
Don't.
That's why I hire you,
Wait.
Yvette.
Don't quit your day. Okay, I'm gonna let her. That'll be yours. Okay.
All right, so
Okay,
mine
that'll
is
be yours.
arugula. How about that?
Okay, it's arugula. At least it's not romaine.
Good. Wait, you're getting your plastic in my
I-
arugula.
Okay, now, we got it.
Oh,
now,
that's
so,
beautiful. I could make mine stick out a little more.
Okay, so now we got a little bit more time or something like that. We're just
Okay.
gonna fake the funk,
Okay.
and we're gonna do a tomato, un tomate.
We're gonna do a tomato.
We're gonna do a tomato, small tomato. Okay, this is fondant.
Okay.
Fondant. Okay, just
Yes.
like cake, but you can eat it. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go to the
I
side,
want
and
to
I'm
make
just
sure
gonna
they
do
can
this.
see what you're doing.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Okay,
just fake
try
the
to-
fun. That's
okay.
it, Make a little line,
Uh-huh.
a little line. That looks like a tomato, right? What do you think?
It looks like a tomato.
Yeah.
That
then
works
I
for
go
me.
and I put one there,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
And then I do another one because
Uh-huh.
you're gonna do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay. It's
Well,
a
we're gonna
quiz.
do that one because we're running out of
absolutely.
time.
Oh,
That's
Dios
got to be
mío.
mine.
Entonces, no, mira ahí.
Ay, I
Corta
gotta do
uno,
it. I was
corta
hoping we
uno.
didn't have to put me through it
Mira,
because.
corta uno.
All right.
That's it.
Look,
See?
it's not even cutting. Oh my
Ah,
gosh,
se
se pegó.
Now you got one tomato. That's it.
Okay, wait.
Make it work. There you go.
This is not helping
That's it.
me find a
That's
future
it.
husband.
Dios mío, mira here, 2 tomatoes. Put your tomatoes in there. Now we
Okay.
got the bun, right? And
Oh my gosh,
voila.
I even made it upside down.
Pues nena, mira. Hey, look at this. It looks like a boiga. It looks like a
It
boiga.
works for me. It's gonna taste the same anyway, right? Okay, so what do we do
And then,
now?
you know, we have, the sesame seeds. We put it there. And then we squish them in. Y ya, mira, ya.
Yeah.
Right. And then what we do is we take the paper
Uh-huh.
when it's a real burger.
Uh-huh.
This is not a real burger. Where's the little thing at, right? We pick it up.
Uh-huh.
Let's just leave it there.
Okay, we'll
That's
leave it there.
Then we just leave
All
it
right, so we're gonna just leave it there, and perhaps I'll take a bite after I take us to break. Yvette, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure having you here.
Thank you,
And
thank
thank you
you.
for being patient with me.
You're patient.
You're
look.
amazing, and
It's
congratulations
not
on
bad.
your new place. This is what it's supposed to look like.
No, you did good. You did good.
All right, I did it right.
It's for a
All
kid.
right. All right, you
it.
guys, once again, make sure to visit Cake Burgers. They're located at 400 East 120th Street. And make sure to follow Yvette on Instagram at Easy Baker and Cake Burgers. I'm going to take a bite of my cake burger, the one I made. And while we do that, you guys stay tuned for Bobby C's Weekly Sports Roundup, which is coming up next.